My first step was to rip all of the wood I needed, and I used both maple and cherry. And here I am getting it into the width that I need. And from there, I'm going to cut it all into wedges, because this was a segmented piece. So I had finished ripping the maple, and here I am ripping the cherry into the width that I need. After I completed ripping all the boards, I then planed them all. And here I am now getting on to cutting all the wedges. This is before I had my wedgie sled, and I'm using my Osgood miter gauge, which was actually very, very accurate. So from there I do a test fit, and I find out that yes, it worked out quite well. They're all nice and tight. So I used an 18 segment ring, and there was a lot of wedges. And what I did was I started out with all solid maple rings, and after a while I transitioned to adding in one single piece of cherry. And then the next ring I added a couple more pieces of cherry until I was all solid cherry in the top rings. From there it was on to the drum sander to get them all nice and flat on both sides. From there I moved on to gluing up my stacks of rings, and most of these were all the same size. It was just on the very ends that they tapered down, and man, I went through a lot of glue in this process.